Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I have a great video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to get rid of calluses and dry feet overnight. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Now let's get to it. Some reasons that you can have the dry feet or calluses could be fungus, or it could be just regular dryness or some lack of vitamins that you have in your system. Some people are more predisposed to those cracked feet and dry feet, besides just regular dryness. So in this video, I want to show you some different ways, natural ways, and some products that you can use to get rid of it overnight and prevent it as well. Foot soak is a really healthy way to do it, at least once a week, to address dry feet, calluses, and even fungus. And I love doing with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is antiseptic, antifungal, antiviral. It's so healthy for your body, taken internally and also soaking because it helps to your body to detox. It will also help you keep your feet moisturized and help to prevent the cracks and also deal with any fungus that you may have. All you're going to need is half a cup of apple cider vinegar in a warm tub of water and soak your feet for 15 minutes. And you can do this once a week, a few times a week, depending on your foot condition, and you will see that your feet will not be only soft, but it really helps your body to get rid of all toxins. So it's a really healthy practice to do, regardless of if you just want your feet to be beautiful or for your health. And don't worry, your feet won't smell like vinegar. As soon as you dry it out, the smell will dissipate, so you won't have stinky feet, so don't worry about that. This practice is best to do it in the evening, and then you can follow with the other tips I'm going to be giving on this video. So after you do the vinegar soap, your feet will be a lot softer, and the dead skin will be a lot softer. So I would suggest to get a foot scrubber like this one. This one you can get in any pharmacy, supermarket. Is a foot scrubber. It has one side metal, the next side has like a filer. So with the metal, you can scrub the areas of your feet that has calluses or dryness, and that will help the skin to come off and exfoliate it. Vinegar soak will really help to moisturize your feet, kill the fungus, and prevent any fungus, but you still need to scrub the dead skin. So I would get a foot scrubber like this one and you scrub the dead skin gently. Then you can wash your feet normally and follow with the next steps. So after you completely dry your skin, you can use either coconut oil or Vaseline all over your feet to help seal the moisture in and heal. Put a sock, like a very comfortable sock, not too tight because you're going to be sleeping with it. So you sleep with it overnight, and when you wake up, guys, your feet will be so soft. The benefits of using coconut oil are that coconut oil is antiseptic, antifungal, antiviral, is actually a natural antibiotic. So by putting coconut oil, it will really address if you have any fungus on your feet, not just the fungus, but also the dryness, because it's super moisturizing. And I have a whole video talking about all the benefits of coconut oil. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So I love using coconut oil for this method, and you will see results overnight. If you happen to not have coconut oil, or if you don't want to use it, you can totally use Vaseline. And Vaseline will not heal fungus or anything like that, but will definitely help with the feet dryness. And my boyfriend prefers Vaseline because he finds it easier to apply. And Vaseline is petroleum jelly. So you follow the same steps, cover your feet up with it, put a sock, and go to bed. And overnight, you wake up with amazing soft feet. Now to go a step further, there's actually a whole foot system that I had a chance to try that really works, guys. And you don't only see results overnight, you see results immediately. It's the Papa Recipe Dead Foot System. This was sent to me for review by Papa Recipe, but I got excited to receive it because I see systems like that all over the internet or at the pharmacy, but I never had a chance to try it out. And my boyfriend's feet really need it a lot because he does follow my tips, but sometimes he gets lazy and he wants immediate results. With the other tips I gave you in this video, you will see results overnight, but if you don't have the patience to do it, like a foot soak and all the other things, you can try systems like this one, and this definitely show you immediate results. So now I'm going to show you the before and afters and also how to use it. It's really simple. You first wash your feet with this soap loofah, which is so interesting because it has little loofahs in the soap, and my boyfriend loved this one. You already see the skin really exfoliating really nicely. It smells like peppermint, and it has a really nice foam. And then you dry your feet and you follow up with the mist. You let it stand for like 2 to 3 minutes, a little bit, and then you use the scrubber that comes with it. My boyfriend, because he has very thick dry skin, he prefers this one, which has metal on it. He often uses this in the bathroom, but it doesn't really remove all the calluses. So this definitely helps. Like this with the metal made the whole callus disappear, as you guys can see on the video right now. To be completely honest, if you're a guy, you will need like a metal scrubber, not the one that comes with it. But if you're a girl, the one that comes with it should work just fine, because women's feet's a lot thinner and it should work just fine. But if you're a guy, have thicker skin, definitely get a metal scrubber to use with it. I really like the system. I think it definitely works immediate, like you see immediate results. The only thing I didn't like is that the instructions are completely in Korean. There's some English in the back, but it was a little hard to understand how to use it. Like I had to Google it. So if you got this system and watched this video, I'm sure this would definitely help you to know how to use it. I wish they had like at least a pamphlet with instructions. That would have been really helpful, but it definitely works. Regardless if you use this or not, you can still use the other tips I give you in this video. That will also really help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to comment below if you had a chance to try any of these tips, if it worked for you, and also if you have any tips of your own, because I love hearing from you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I'll see you next time. Bye.